Hi guys, today's lesson is about how to shorten sleeves. Fancy way, kind of fancy way, just a quarter-inch hem. We use the same principle what I explained to you already in video how to shorten flare dress. Well, here is sleeves with elastic originally. It's too long. And maybe more than half percent of women don't like elastic because, especially women with fat wrists like I am, it's bothering us. No, well, have to get rid of it. No, well, just put regular hem. What we do? This is our desired length marked by choker. I don't need to deal with all this big weight below that because I don't want to end up working in a tube. It's pretty hard. Well, I will just cut at least half of it. Get this excess, too much of excess of my way. That's one step. Second step, let's make that quarter-inch nice fancy hem. It's very fancy material, and we don't want nothing too heavy, like 1-inch hem or even half-inch hem will be too heavy. No, well, let's make it fancy and nice, like quarter-inch. What we do to achieve this goal? This is our marking line. What we do, we're gonna stitch crease. Crease will show to us fold for our new hem, which is we decide to be only quarter-inch. That's what it's mean. It's mean here is our desirable length. We're gonna step quarter-inch away from it, right here, and put crease here. How we do it? By folding this along your mark side, just like that, only quarter-inch on the right side of it, and make it stitch like millimeter as close to that edge as possible. Just like that. And keep doing it all along your marked line. Here we go. Quarter-inch. And well, I will tell you later about all this, how to keep that quarter-inch. But right, you can use your marking on sewing machine or just visually. You don't have to stuck your ruler all the time here and check it is quarter-inch or not. You kind of see it visually. Keep doing it until you go around. If it's more narrow object, more narrow sleeve, you cannot have speedy machines, speedy stitch. Any alteration, speedy stitch is not a good idea, because you don't want to end up ripping something what you stitch, over stitch. Here you are, we all around. What to do next? Now we just need to roll, but we don't want to roll more as we plan, which is only quarter-inch, only that much. That's why we have to cut excess off. How we do it? Because we have crease already stitched here, it will be much more easy. You just stuck your scissors there and keep cutting as close to your stitch as possible. If you manage to put that stitch like I did, only 1 millimeter away from edge, you can see it right here, and you can cut it all the way here. If you did not manage that 1 millimeter, your stitch will be somewhere here. Oh well, what it is, it is. You just cut as close as possible to that seam what you just make. Make sure that your scissors have sharp edge under, what it's not catching nothing from that side. You have to make any holes on the sleeve, part of sleeve what you want to keep it. Always pays to use professional scissors, just like this one, Singer. You don't have to pay $70 for it in the stores. You can order that online. And this is a good size because it's medium. It's a good to have on a sewing machine. Don't plan to sharp scissors. Usually it don't work as good. Once they worn out, just throw out, get another pair. That's from my experience. All the sharpened scissors actually don't make them better, make them worse, because it kills that angle what they're supposed to be lined up with. That's from my experience. Okay, now what we have? We have this tiny little what's left of that excess, and all what we need now to roll up only 1/4 inch and stitch what we have most fancy way possible. And because it is already creased for us, we don't have to keep rolling and keep suffering with rolling, because it's already rolled by itself, because we have that crease stitch there. Same way, guys, the same principle what I'm explaining now, you use for shorten formal dresses, shorten any fancy stuff you have. Flair skirts, even organza like sheer or chiffon dresses, you do the same thing. Of course, with chiffon will be much more hard as rayon what I have right now. And what you do, just go ahead and make that nice 1/4 inch hem. I think we got it. I think we got it. Here we are. Nice. Match thread, very nice. All nice, and it's only 1/4 inch, very tiny and very fancy. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and push that bell, but you will be notified about future video coming, because I have so much more to show to you from my years and years of doing it, from my knowledge of how to do it easy way. Thank you.